Alright, I'm taking this. The reason why I take this, I can see that this is a strong 3 bar down, right? And we broke the structure of the market right here. You know what I mean? And we can see that this candle was a strong hammer candle. The hammer is not so clear, but as you see, there is a wick at the top. It's okay, right? So that's a strong signal candle right there. Plus, we break the structure of the market. And when you break the structure of the market, you can expect market sentiment to be shift. Okay? That's very crucial to understand, guys. There's so much things going to trading. People think it's just pattern and indicator. No, you have to understand the market. You have to love the craft, love the skill, love the charts. You know what I mean? You have to just love the whole trading skill. You can't just think about money. Alright, I'm taking this mainly because this candle is a strong candle. You see that? It broke this level, which was previously strong. When you see drop base drop, it's very strong signal that the price will go lower. Okay? And this drop base drop is very strong. Plus, I combine it with strong engulfing candle. Breaks a strong level. I'm expecting the price to go lower right here. Yeah, it's so easy and nice to trade price action. I love it. I love reading the charts because it's always telling a story. Right, I'm taking this, guys, because I saw that we had the trend line, okay, and the price gave us a momentum after touching the trend line. So I'm expecting sellers to enter the market for at least at least two more candles. Or it might be three, but I'm not sure about that because there's a supply here. The price might try to play around a little bit. So I'm watching what's going on. That's the next thing, guys. You need to understand where the market is coming from and where the market is going. That is very crucial to understand because you probably try to take trade and the market is coming from a strong supply. You see how the supply is fighting the price. See what I'm talking about? Right? Now, if it was coming from somewhere weak, I would be like, this is not going to affect my trade. And that's the reason why sometimes you might enter trades and they lose because you're going against a strong chart pattern or something. What's gonna happen here? If the price is gonna close at the level. Okay, I'm taking this. Let me fix this real quick. If the price, I was supposed to go full margin. If the price comes back up, okay, I think I'm gonna win this one very clearly. I wanted to go full margin, guys, because I was trying to do a compounding session. If this candle close, I'm not gonna take any other trade. That would be risky. Okay, so yeah, the reason for this trade was I saw that there was a supply here, right, and the price came and closed on it. Okay, this candle is continuation sign, so this is a short shot trade. I know that for sure because we have continuation, engulf, strong engulf, all those stuff. Beautiful. Okay, I'm taking this. I could see that the price closes on the supply again, right? And we know that 3 bar down can give us retracement. Yeah, I'm expecting Yes, I'm expecting the price to go down, right? And if you pay attention, again, I saw this is a continuation sign. I love to see when I take trades, there's continuation signs. You guys need to understand this stuff. If you want to learn more about this, check my description. I have my mentorship link there. You could contact me on Telegram.